Like this looks pretty real, guys. So this is a finished look of this unit. I've actually had this unit for over a month, probably like a month and a half. Now this unit was sent to me from Idnhair company, guys. Very, very beautiful, beautiful unit. Now I have collabed with this company one other time and I absolutely love their units. Now with this one, guys, this is their curly HD unit, guys. It is the 13x6 lace wig cap, which is an excellent cap construction. Now I wanted something curly and fun because you guys know I'm traveling during the winter season. So I wanted something fun and natural and pretty. This unit is absolutely stunning, guys. You guys can see how the hairline looks absolutely realistic. You guys know they have that bomb HD lace, guys, so everything looks very, very realistic. If you guys look close up right here, you'll be able to see my beauty mark, which will be right here. So you guys can see that this is some clear AF lace, guys. Very, very natural, very, very realistic. Now, if you guys have watched my recent vlogs, I haven't really been doing a lot of hair videos as of lately just because I've been under the weather. But if you do watch my vlogs, you guys will have seen this unit several times in the last couple of weeks. I absolutely love this unit. It's like an everyday style unit. You don't need to wear makeup with this unit. I did install this unit without makeup, so I can kind of show you guys how really, really natural and realistic this looks. The lace is very, very nice and soft, guys. One thing I want to mention about this lace is that the lace is very, very delicate, so be careful. With this one, I do notice that if you pull the hair too hard off of this, I mean, just like pulling the hair back and stuff like that and tweezing, it will either snag a hole into the lace or it'll just strip the hair right off the lace. So the lace is very, very delicate and very, very light. So be very, very careful with this lace, guys. I know a lot of the times we're really aggressive when it comes to tweezing. With this unit, I did not tweeze this unit whatsoever. So the unit came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and all the stuff was done to this unit already when I received it. So all I literally had to do was install this unit, which was one thing that I loved. Obviously, I did go ahead and do my little baby hair magic on this one. Did a little sideburn, did a little swiggle right here just to give you guys kind of like an open platform so you guys can see how natural and very, very real. Like this looks pretty real, guys. Like it looks very, very natural and realistic. I did baby hairs on both sides, but I never really go crazy on this side since my bang goes this way. So I want to show it to you guys, kind of like side part, kind of clean in a way, not too many baby hairs, but just enough to kind of give you guys an overall look. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like on this unit. The density is a perfect density. I love the density on this unit, guys. The density on this unit is just right. It's not too dense. It is a curly unit, so about 150% density is the perfect density. density. The length on this one is about 20 inches long, so it gives more of a realistic effect, which is one reason why I chose this length. Now this curl is definitely kind of like a, when I received the unit, it was kind of more of like a loosey type of curl pattern. So once you wash the hair and let the hair air dry, it'll give you more of these beautiful formed curls, softer look. The texture when I got it, the curls were very, very tight, and I was like, is this gonna loosen up or something? Because I'm not about to go out here with these kind of tight curls. But once the curls loosen up with a little bit of water and a little bit of product, and you guys know I use the Can't You Leave-In conditioner all the time, I added that to the hair, let it air dry, and this is the results. Looks very healthy, very full, guys, nice and pretty. I will leave all the information down below if you guys are looking for a nice winter vacation unit or just a nice natural unit. This unit actually looks nice pulled up into a bun. You do have to go in the back and kind of clean it up in the back with a few bobby pins, but other than that, it has a very, very natural effect with the lace in the front. So when I tell you guys, lifting this up into a ponytail, it just looks so freaking flawless, so freaking bomb. So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit from idnhair.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.